Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'm here to give you some inspiring words for this month of September. Okay, you may take your seat. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay, thank you. And now, okay, so I'm here because we were not able to have the flag ceremony in the ground, so I have come to many classrooms of the grade 11 already from downstairs. Ano, ilang grade 11 na yun ang classroom. So, I don't mind, okay, coming from one classroom to another, because the very reason is this: I love you. I really love you because the future generation lies on you. Nasa inyo mga kamay, di ba? Ang pag-asa ng bayan, pag-asa ng simbahan ay nasa inyo ng kabataan. Okay? Last October, next month pala yun. Last August, I talked about Saint Dominic de Guzman, the preacher of truth and our teacher of truth. And as students of UST Legazpi, as you are Dominicans, okay, or you are also Dominican students, okay, you have to be lovers of truth, hindi ng mga sinungaling. Because liars go to hell. So we don't want to go to hell. And that's why stop lying. Be truthful. Okay? That was our lesson last August. We have to be truthful. We have to be honest. But this September, I'm here to share with you about the Blessed Mother. September 8, we have celebrated the birth of Mary. September 13, we have the Holy Name of Mary. Yesterday, September 15, we have celebrated the 7 sorrows of the Blessed Mother. Okay? So, this month of September, we dedicate it to Mary here in UST Legazpi for our monthly morning praise. And Mary is not only the mother of Jesus, Mary is the teacher of Jesus. Okay? So let us also be like Jesus as a student. Mary is our mother, is our not only our mother but also our teacher. So as Jesus learned from his mother as a teacher, we must also learn, okay, from Mary. Okay, the first, do you think, what is the first lesson that our Blessed Mother taught Jesus? Okay, by the way, bago ko ganito, ang tanong ko pala ganito. Kailangan bang turuan pa si Jesus? Kailangan bang turuan si Jesus? Diyos ka siya eh. Kailangan bang turuan ba ni Mama Mary na si Mama Mary, hindi naman siya Diyos, hindi man niya alam lahat yan. At si Jesus bilang Diyos, alam niya lahat yan. Ang tanong, kailangan pa bang turuan si Jesus ni Mama Mary? Yes. Bakit? Dahil siya ay naging tao. As God, hindi na kailangan. Tanda natin, Jesus became like us in all things except sin. And as being human being, he also needs to be taught, instructed. Okay? And that's why, you know, after the finding in the temple, Jesus went with his mother Mary and Joseph back to Nazareth. And then Jesus learned. And he grew in age, wisdom, and grace. So in other words, natuto si Jesus sa mga pangangaral ni Maria. In the first lesson, as I have been reflecting on this, the lesson of humility. Mary was humble enough to accept that hindi niya alam lahat. And that's why in the Bible there says, she did not know everything, but she pondered everything in her heart. Okay? So that is humility. Mary learned humility. And because Mary learned humility. She taught Jesus humility also. And paano masasabi natin natuto si Jesus? Because ito po, Jesus is God. But in Philippians, sabi nga, Jesus Christ did not deem equality with God. He is God, but hindi niya pinagyabang, ay Diyos ako, makinig kayo sa akin, Diyos ako. Sinabi ba ni Jesus yan? No. He was humble enough. Okay? As Mary was humble enough to say, I do not know everything, and Jesus was also humbled by pagsunod. Ano? Pagsunod niya kay Maria. Tanda natin, ang taong mapakumbaba sumusunod. Ano? Jesus emptied himself. Nagpakumbaba siya. Kaya natuto siya. And the second lesson that Jesus taught, Jesus learned from the Blessed Mother, and Mary taught Jesus, is the lesson of listen with the heart, not only with your ears. Okay? And that's why when a teacher teaches you or instructs anything from, listen not only with your ears, not only with your mind, also listen with the heart. Okay? Listen with the heart. What do I mean by listen with the heart? You must try to reflect. Try to think it over. Because reflection and thinking it over will help you learn a lot. Hindi yun, pagkatapos nito, nakalimutan na. Because you don't think it over. Tanda natin, di ba, mayroong insight, hindsight, and foresight. Okay? If we really listen with the heart. Okay? So, this is my challenge to all of you. As students of USC Legazpi, let us be like Jesus, who was humble enough to learn from his mother Mary. And always listen with the heart, because listening with the heart means obeying Mary. Diyos siya. Pero sumusunod pa siya kay Mary. Ano? Alam mo, matututo tayo pag tayo na marunong sumunod. Pag hindi tayo matutong masunod o magsunod, hindi tayo matututo. Okay? So that's why learn, okay, from Jesus. And you know what? The last lesson of Mary, not only to Jesus, but to all of us, the last word she uttered at the wedding at Cana. In the wedding at Cana, what did Mary say to the servants when they have to fill the jar with water, and that water became wine? Ang sabi ni Mary, do whatever Jesus tells you. So, we will be able to learn a lot if we keep doing what Jesus tells us to do. So, I'd like to say thank you for listening. Thank you, ma'am, okay, for allowing me to give you some inspirational words. And see you again next month, because next month we'll talk about prayer. Okay, keep praying, because if you keep praying, you will always be like Jesus, who keeps on praying for us. Thank you, and God bless you.